Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you orange and purple tiger print nail art design step by step guide. Tiger print is always an attractive choice for women. This design puts a spin on traditional animal print with a gorgeous gradient effects and tiger picture nail art design. Step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a yellow nail polish. Yellow and black color is the main color of our today's design. Step number 2. Using a small piece of a cosmetic, sponge and some tweezers. Apply a orange nail polish to your nails. Leave the top third of your nails mostly yellow. Number 3 step is dab on a purple nail polish. Using the same method, but this time focus on the tips of your nails. Step number 4. Apply a layer of multicolored glitter nail polish all over your nails. Number 5. Using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish, create the tiger stripes starting from the sides of your nails going inwards. Step number 6. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, your beautiful tiger colored nail are ready to show off your family, friends and school and colleges. I hope you liked today's my video. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. If you have any query regarding the design, please let me know about your opinions. Thank you very much for watching my video.